everyone. So in this tutorial we're going to talk about multiple assignments. Now multiple assignments is whereby I'm going to divide it into two ways. You can assign two variables in the same line. You may probably already know that. You can swap two variables. You may know that or not. You will see, learn. And also you can swap the first and the last element in a list. So we're going to try to swap, let's say, 1 with 5 in this list. So let's begin off simply. How to assign two variables in the same line. What I was if I wanted to assign two variables A and B, and I wanted to assign them to 8 and 5. So that's how I would do it. So if I print A, in the first line, then I come to the second line and print B, everything should work well without an error. 8, 5. So A is 8 and B is 5. So that's how it would be. So now, what if I wanted to swap two variables? Let's say this. I wanted to swap two variables. So in this case, if I wanted to swap two variables, let's say A with B. You say A, B. Then, after that, you would say it's equal to B, A. And these two variables are going to be swapped. So, let's print them out to see if they are actually swapped. So if we print out A, and then we come down here and also print out, let's say B, and then we see what is there. You can see that they're being swapped into 5 and 8. So that's how we can swap variables. Now, what if we wanted to swap, let's say 1 with 5? So what we would do here in this case, we would call our numbers, that is this list. Then from numbers we shall say position 0. That will be 1. Position 0 is at 1. Then we shall also say numbers. Then we shall say position, let's say -1, which is 5. Then what we shall do, we shall now say numbers. Then we shall also call position -1. Then comma again, numbers. Then we shall call position 0. So in this case, it's going to swap 1 with 5. So in the new numbers list, you will have 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. So if we print out numbers, that should be exactly what is there. We print out numbers. So when you print out numbers, that's exactly what it is. 5, 2, 3, 4, 1. So that's how you do this. So you would assign two variables in the same line. That's how you do it. Swap two variables. That means I swap the values in the two variables, and then swap the first and the last elements in a list. And this does not necessarily have to mean the first and last elements. I can swap, let's say, the second and third element. So let's try to swap the second and third element. So the second element is at 0, 1. So let's say 1. And then 3 is at 0, 1, 2, it's at 2. So we shall call here 2. Then here we shall also put 2. Then here we shall put 1. So I think that should swap them out. And when they are swapped, 3 with 2. So you can swap elements in a list. And you can find many applications for it. So that's how you do it. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Subscribe if you have liked it, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.